Kambuni ya motungata ma ukinyaniria wa thimu ya Safaricom niruguritie mutambo mweru uria ukugitira na kugacirithia motungata ma wigi wa mbeca ukihuthira thimu cia moko kuona hau gabere ukora wa mbeca ici ni waingihite na njira nene undu uria wacungiririe ahuthiri a motungata maya gutangika na njira nene.
If you want to transact in a bank, for example, we'll be able to check, first of all, when was this particular customer registered. So you find if you registered your SIM, let's say in the last 24 hours, there will be more scrutiny.
Kiaria na ndikia mohoro Sitolo Pokoit uria niwe murugamiriri munene wa kigina kambuni ino ni atariire gikeno giake gia uthunduri wa mutambo uyu kuona ni ukumahotithia kugacirithia ugitiri wa mbeca.
Financial institutions already looking to integrate with us. We actually aim that all financial institutions will use this service because it provides security and to the customers that use the product and services. So the banks, the SACCOs, the digital lenders and so on and so forth.
Mutambo uyu ni utanyitwo gutigirira motungata mothe kuri aigithia kugerera njira ya thimu ni magacirithio na ningi ukora uria ukoretwo gitwarithio na mbere ni waninwo kaimana.
We should also be able to see, because we've seen the age of network, we'll be able to see the number of or the type of transactions that someone makes. Now, if the bank then queries from our end to find out when this particular customer made a registration or registered onto the network, then we'll be able to give them that back that information.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Waitherero wa Kamau.